In today's video, I'll teach you how to reshare status on WhatsApp. So first of all, launch open WhatsApp application. You can see over here WhatsApp has been opened. Initially, you'll be led to the chats interface. So if you want to reshare the status, for that tap on the updates option that you can see at the bottom of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the updates interface. At top, you'll be able to find this section for status. You'll be able to see the status that your contacts have uploaded over here. Right now, I do not have any status being shown over here, but what you have to do is simply tap on the status of your choice. After you do that, you'll be able to find the reshare icon over there. What you have to do is tap on it. If you do not know how the reshare icon looks, it looks like the square loop of two arrows. Now after you tap on it, you'll be able to add the desired music or captions. Simply do it and tap on the send icon. After you do that, the status will be reshared. So like this, you'll be able to do it. So that is how you reshare status on WhatsApp. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.